Hey guys, so today I am going to be doing an intro for my second project 10 pan for the year, all makeup, which is exciting. So yeah, I have kind of 10 products. I have one of them that's going to count from like multiple because it's like multiple things in there, but I'm really excited to get started. A lot of these are like almost done, so I think that I could probably finish this one pretty quickly. I did do a get ready with me today. I'll link it down below. I'm not sure which one will go up first, but I did just change one thing, and I just put this baby lips in like grape or whatever on my lips because I didn't really like the lipstick that I was wearing. And I came back and I did my hair. I'm in a different outfit as well. If you guys had watched that video, or if you haven't yet, I'll link it down below. I had to give like Rupert a bath. There's like all this craziness going on today, so I had to strip my bedding, and that's in the wash right now. It's actually like 10:10 at night, so I'm not gonna be able to get to bed until after 11 o'clock tonight because our bedding is in the wash. So I thought might as well film, even though I'm getting super tired, but I thought I'd at least do this video. But yeah, that's why I had to change my shirt because it got soaked from giving him a bath. So if you're interested in hearing all about that, I'll just not go on and ramble like I did in the get ready with me. But yeah, everything that I'm wearing today is in that get ready with me, which is all my Project 10 pan items, but I did realize I forgot to use one of them today, but I'll kind of explain. So yes, 10 items, all makeup. So the first one is this Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. And sorry, whenever it's like nighttime and I try to film, the light is like too bright, but if I didn't have the light on, like it's like way too dark. So but yeah, so it is the Stay Matte Primer, and I've been using this because my skin has gotten a lot more oily since I've been pregnant, which is, you guys can probably tell I'm like super out of breath when I'm talking, but I've been using this as kind of like my primer and my moisturizer, and it's been helping a lot with like controlling the oil and stuff. So I've been liking this, and it's gone by really fast. So it's already down to there, which is super exciting. So yeah, I don't think that this one will take me too much longer. I don't wear makeup as often as I used to. Now that I work part-time, I only wear makeup like 3 to 4 days a week, unless we're like doing a bunch of stuff on the weekends or something. So yeah, I don't wear makeup as often, so it does take me a little bit longer now, but I don't think it'll take me too long. Let's see, the next thing is my powder. This is the Neutrogena Mineral Shears Powder Foundation in Classic Ivory. It looks like that. And that's how much I've used up of it. So I haven't ever repressed it or anything, but I'll probably have to do that soon just because it is getting kind of low. As you can see, I use more on this side than on that side, but yeah, it's kind of getting too light for me now. If you watch that get ready with me, you can tell I've gotten tan, but I'm trying to like use tanner products too, but also use up my stuff that I was using. So yeah, this is getting a little bit light for me, but I think I can work with it till it's gone. So and then the next thing is bronzer, which I had to use a ton of bronzer today, so I'm sure this won't last me very much longer, but it's my NARS like sample size of the Laguna bronzer. This packaging is just like gross, and like it broke, and I've had to repress this, and that is all that I have left. I've like blown through this this bronzer. I've used it up in just like a few months, which is exciting. I mean, it's a small size, but yeah, and it's kind of getting like too light of a color for me for a bronzer. I think it's a really good bronzer for me in like the fall winter time, when I'm like not as tan, but in the summer it's like, I don't know, it's not dark enough to be a bronzer for me. So yeah, but I think that this one will probably be one of the first ones to go. And then the next product, which is the one that I think I did forget to use it and might get ready with me, is this here, and this is just repurposed packaging. This is the Physicians Formula Bamboo Wear thing, but this is, I already used up the product a long time ago, and I just saved it because I liked this little thing. So it has a brush here, and I actually do use this for this, and I really like it. I made like a homemade like contour powder, and it's getting a little bit light for me now too, but it's almost gone. Like I didn't make too much of it when I did it, but I did it maybe like, I think I did it last year at some point, and then I made another one because I really liked it. So basically what it has in it is a little bit of my Maybelline Mineral Power Bronzer, and to like kind of lighten it up a little bit of this L'Oreal Visible Lift powder, and then I mixed in a little bit of like all 4 of these eyeshadows, which I'll talk about in a minute, because this like cool tone color I thought would be like really good, and it ended up, it's really pretty. So yeah, I've actually really liked doing that, and I might make that again, but obviously with other products because they're like almost gone. But I like using this little brush too because it's like really thin, and I can just like really get in my cheekbones with it. So I've actually really been liking this. So yeah, I mean, it's not like a item that I'll use up in my inventory, but I still want to put it in my project pan just to remind me to use it every single day. So which brings me to my next thing. This is actually going to count as 4 items because there's 4 of them in here. So it might make the project pan go faster, but yeah, I just thought that I would do like that anyway. So this is my L'Oreal Quad, which it's broken. Like the lid like broke off. This is in Autumn Leaves. If you guys have watched my videos before, you know that this is like my oldest eyeshadow thingy that I have. It has 4 colors. This is like a bone, like matte color. And then this is like a pinky rose gold color. And then this is like a shimmery taupey color. And then this is like a matte, like cool toned taupey color. And I've repressed this thing probably like 5 times. So they're like, I mean, it's basically gone, but it's still been lasting me for a while, and they've kind of looked like this for a bit. So I don't know, it could surprise me and end up taking a lot longer, but I've actually really been enjoying using this. And I use this in my Get Ready With Me. So if you're wanting to see that, I use that. And then next is my eyeliner, and it is so tiny. This is my MAC Feline eyeliner, and I shouldn't have put it back in its little thingy because I feel like it's not even gonna come out. This is like almost done, but I love having like sharpened like eyeliners and getting them like to the smallest that they can be. Like I've like posted some pictures on my Instagram and stuff. I'll link that below too, where like my eyeliners were literally like get like this big, and it's just so satisfying. So this is where it's at now. I need to like sharpen it better. I had to sharpen it in my Get Ready With Me, and it ended up like kind of crumbling, so I just like did it quickly, but it's like almost gone. Like it's so tiny. So yeah, I've actually really liked this eyeliner, and it's lasted me I think like over a year or something like that. So I really like this. I'll probably buy it again one day, but I don't think that this will last too long. But I do get like probably like 2 weeks worth of use out of each sharpen because I don't use a lot. I only put it on my waterline. I don't put it on the top at all. So yeah, we'll see about that. And then the last item, I'm kind of sad to be putting it in here, but it's my Too Faced Better Than Sex waterproof mascara. And this is my favorite mascara of all time, but it's kind of expensive. My husband got it for me, and he put it in my stocking for Christmas, and I was so excited about that. And then I started using it at some point this year, so it's been open for a while. It still like is working great, because I don't wear makeup that often, and I feel like this tube has like a ton of mascara in it, but it has been open for a bit, so I feel like I need to just kind of put it away and be done with it. But it's just so good. And I've been wondering if the L'Oreal like Lash Paradise one, I've heard some people say that that's a dupe. If you've tried the waterproof one of that one and you like it and you think it's like the same as this, please let me know, because I have a gift card to Ulta that I have that's like over $100 worth of gift cards to there, and I haven't used them, and I haven't bought any makeup in like 2.5 years, so I've been trying to just like use up all my stuff. But let me know if you've tried that and it's similar to this, but if not, I might just use my gift card and buy another one of these because I just really like it. So yeah, my tube's starting to get kind of like yucky all around it too, but this is just, it's such a good one. I really like it. So yeah, that is my final product. So I don't think that this will take too long. I think I could probably get it done in like a month, maybe a little bit longer than a month, depending on how much I wear makeup for June. So my dryer washer is going off. So yeah, I'm gonna go switch over laundry. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and that you're having a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.